How would you feel if you knew that everything in your life is your fault? How would it feel to be so powerful and safe? Just play around with this idea. What if everything that I've created in my life is my fault? I get the credit for it. Congratulate yourself for surviving anything you've survived in your life. And forgive yourself, and then start to hold yourself accountable for things, and realize that you have much more power than you've probably ever given yourself credit for. You are unstoppable and you are powerful. Just own it. Let's pretend you decide to leave your house one day. You get in the car and you have a destination that's about an hour away. You want to go to the destination. Now, what do most people do when they drive a car to a destination, or when they drive themselves in their life to a destination? Do you think it through completely for hours beforehand and think about where exactly is this destination in comparison to where I am? Is it northwest this many degrees? How do I make a clear focus of that destination, just go for it? Or do you just get in your car, drive as close as you can towards that destination, maybe turn left, maybe correct, turn right, and then finally, winding on a road, you finally get to your destination by all these little corrections to make sure you stay on the right track? The best way to get there is probably by making little corrections, not by just having one goal and then driving into a ditch somewhere when there's no road that goes straight to your destination as you'd want it to go to, right? So in controlling your destiny, it's really, really important to be flexible and to realize that everything really is in our control, and that we can take charge of the car and keep making little adjustments as we learn, because we don't know everything from the beginning. As babies, we don't know what it takes to be successful as a 40 or 50-year-old until we learn, until we get little feedbacks, little learnings throughout our life, and we constantly adjust. So I thought that was a little bit of a fun example that you might appreciate. So that's something to take into account when you are taking charge, healing, moving forward, keep moving forward. Life is a sum total of how you focus and actions you take. Focus plus actions equals your life. Are you more attached to the story that you've had throughout your life before now, or are you more attached to the excitement of the story that you are creating? Maybe taking responsibility for everything that you've done to get you to who you are right now. Participating in the soul spa, taking care of yourself, knowing that if you take care of your inner self, your outer self and outer world is going to be falling into place as well. So today, just take a few moments to acknowledge that you are in charge of your car and your life, and enjoy creating your own destiny.